It's Mark and Tammy, your community managers here to talk a little bit today about custom themes. So let's jump right in and see what we got. Hey Tammy.
Hey Mark.
We're going to jump in and show what we can do with some of these custom themes. Once you log into your account, you'll be, the screen looks just like this or similar. Come up in the upper right hand corner, click on your name and go to settings. From there, you just click on the styling tab. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose a template as our starting point. I'm going to go with elegant. And then I'm going to come down and add the logo of the realtor that I'm working with. Once I select that and it shows up here, I can choose everything else. I want to stay with the English language. I do want imperial measurements. You can also choose metric or both. And this particular realtor has, as you see, red, black, and gray within their logo colors. So I'm going to change, let's just change the wall color to match their logo. Let's see what this will look like for them. There we go. I want to change the door swing to 90. I do want the measurement arrow, no fill fixed furniture. We're going to leave this empty for the default, which is size and dimensions are approximate. And once I get done, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to save as a new template, and I'm going to name it after the realty company. Create new template. And just like that, I now have a template that is ready for this particular realty group, that whenever I come in, I can reissue their floor plan and it will come out with their unique colors. So there you go. I have a couple different realtors and one that is a default for me, ready to go. All right, so once you have actually created your custom themes, I'll show you what it looks like to implement it. You just come in here and click on the particular floor plan, come up here, change style. I'm going to choose the realty group that I just created, change style. It'll be rendered, and in just a few minutes, I will have an email with the completion and my new floor plan.
So guys, we're hoping that you are as excited about the custom themes as we are. This is something that we've been working on for a long time, and it is due to your suggestions and input. So thank you so much. Please reach out to me, reach out to Mark if there's anything we can help with. Or also our customer service team is amazing. You can reach them by chat. Let us know if we can help. And thank you.